Namaskar. The three draconian laws on agriculture, which were passed and repealed without any debate and discussion by Modi government, was death knell for the future of farming in India. Drunk with power, this BJP government was hell-bent upon destroying the Annadata farmers and was determined to serve the crony capitalist friends. 62 crore farmers and farm laborers were agitating across India against these three draconian laws from past 1 year. Hundreds of farmers' organizations were sitting on dharna, on hunger strike, and were demonstrating across the length and breadth of the nation. Around 700 farmers died in this farmers' agitation. But Prime Minister Narendra Modi continues to be blind to the agony of the farmers and suppress every voice of protest. Prime Minister Narendra Modi came on television and apologized to the nation and farmers. But when Agriculture Minister was asked about how many farmers died in this agitation, he said he doesn't have any data. And these three draconian laws, which were passed and now repealed without any debate and discussion in the parliament, just because this anti-farmer BJP government and this coward Prime Minister fears our united and democratic voice. Indian National Congress and Rahul Gandhi continue to take on the dark design of a draconian, dictatorial and anti-farmer Modi government, both inside and outside the parliament, both from the parliament in the towns and the villages of India. Congress party and Rahul Gandhi is demanding the discussion in the floor of the house on withdrawal of these three black laws so that the martyrdom of 700 farmers doesn't go in vain. And justice should be delivered to those who were killed in Lakhimpur massacre. And we demand the dismissal of Minister of State for Home Affairs Ajay Mishra Tani. We also demand all cases filed against farmers during protest be dropped and they should be given compensation as well as jobs. And most importantly, farmers be given their rights. So we urge government to form the policies promising MSP to the farmers. Indian National Congress and Rahul Gandhi ji shall continue voice the pain and suffering of teeming millions. Jai Hind.